Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the temperature change in a calorimeter is super fast if you know exactly what to look for in the data table. Let's go! First, we need to identify the initial temperature from the table before the reaction starts. At time 0, the temperature is recorded as 22.0 degrees Celsius. Check it out! Next, we look for the highest temperature reached during the experiment to find our final value. The data shows the temperature peaks at 24.5 degrees Celsius. You got this! Finally, subtract the initial temperature from the final peak. 24.5 minus 22.0 equals 2.5. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.